Alright, this is a little conversion video to put a quick release strap on a helmet with the standard D-ring. Things you'll need is a helmet, this, which I'll leave a link for in the description below, a lighter, and some scissors. Alright, so there are lots of these on Amazon, but I chose this one because it actually comes with installation hardware. All the other ones just came with this, which isn't good for anything unless you've got hardware to attach it. So you just pull this up, and then this clip just pulls out like that. This guy is pretty simple. What I did is I pulled this little red tab to the side like this, and then that just clips along like that. And this red piece just kind of sits in there, and then that part is done. Pretty simple. Now for the other side, check to see if your buckle can fit through this little clasp right here. My other helmet, it did not fit. We'll see if this one does, because if it does fit, then you don't have to cut anything. But it looks like this one doesn't fit. So we're going to get the scissors and just cut that off. So we'll just do a little snip, snip. There it goes. Now at this point, you're going to want to get a lighter and just quickly warm this side up and then smash it together with your finger. Careful not to apply your fingers on there for too long because it's going to be hot. And just keep on doing this until it's nice and sealed. Hot, hot, hot. I burned myself a couple of times, so I just have some pliers here. Let's see if I can use that instead of my fingers. Smash it down. Should be good enough. Alright, this is the tricky part. So you need to put this guy on first, and I believe, okay, so you go up and then through, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put this towards the bottom because I know that that's where it needs to end. And then I chose for this to come up through the back. Oh, I will mention, so my strap is about 7/8 of an inch wide. And it does fit this, but it's pretty tight. Okay. So now that that's in, I'm going to feed this back up through here. And then back down. The fact that it's difficult is nice. Makes me think that it's gonna stay. Alright. Do a quick test. On, off. On, off. So now you just need to keep on tightening this thing until it fits. And if it's anything like my other helmet that I did this on, this needs to be at the very bottom. So I'm just going to adjust that, and then I'll check back in. Alright, that took way too long, but so this one needs to be a little bit looser than mine compared to my other helmet. But there you go. Just put it on, and I know you can't see me, but just want to check the fit. Fits well. And then what I was able to do with my excess on my other helmet, is I just tucked it into this portion right here. There should be lots of space. Just kind of pull it taut like that. And then I just tucked it right in there. That way, if you ever need to change it, it's still there. If you don't want to deal with that, you can just cut it off. That's fine. But now you've got a quick release helmet. One of the YouTube reviews that I read, a guy put this on a hook and hung his body weight on it, and he was like 180 pounds, and it held, whereas the D-ring just slowly slipped. So I trust it in the crash. Here's my other helmet that I did it on. Ooh, don't roll off the table. So you can see them here side by side. They work very well. I love it. Highly recommend it. There you go.